Chapter 8. Where Animals Live. Animals are found almost everywhere on the earth. Different animals live in different places. Some live on land, some live in water, and others live on trees. The natural environment where animals live is called their habitat. Animals have special features which help them to adapt and thrive well in the habitat. When there is a change in climate or habitat, animals find it difficult to survive. In this process, many species become extinct. The earth has many habitats, such as mountains, forests, deserts, rivers, seas, and oceans. On the basis of their habitat, animals are of 5 types: land animals, aquatic animals, amphibians, arboreal animals, aerial animals. Land animals. Animals that live on land are called land animals. Land animals are also called terrestrial animals. Cat, dog, cow, deer, elephant, etc. are land animals. Bodies of land animals are adapted to survive on land. They breathe with their lungs. They have strong legs to run away from danger or to catch their prey. They have well-developed limbs. Different land animals live in different types of shelters. Some animals live in caves. For example, lions live in dens and bears live in caves. Aquatic animals. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Fish, whales, dolphins, seals, and octopuses are aquatic animals. Some of them live in corals, some in underwater plants, and others in rocky areas under the water. Fish breathe through gills. They have fins which help them to swim in water. Dolphins and whales do not have gills. They have lungs. They come to the surface of water to breathe. Amphibians. Animals that live both on land and in water are called amphibians. Frogs, toads, and salamanders are examples of amphibians. Amphibians breathe through lungs when they are on land, but when they are in water, they breathe through their skin. They have webbed feet to swim in water. There are some reptiles like crocodiles, alligators, and water snakes, which live both on land and in water. But unlike amphibians, their soft skin is protected by scales, so they cannot breathe through their skin. These reptiles breathe through their nostrils. Arboreal animals. Animals that spend majority of their lives in trees are called arboreal animals. Monkeys and squirrels are arboreal animals. They have strong arms and legs to climb trees. Aerial animals. Animals that spend most of their time in air are called aerial animals. Birds and bats are aerial animals. Their bodies are light in weight. They have wings. These features enable them to fly. Animals living in very cold regions. Some land animals, such as polar bears and snow leopards, live in very cold areas. Such animals have a thick coat of fur on their body, which protects them from the cold. They have mostly white fur, which helps them to hide from their enemies. They have white feet so that they do not sink in the snow. Many of these animals fall into a long sleep during winter. This is called hibernation. Animals living in deserts. Deserts are very hot during the day and cold at night. Many land animals, such as camel and kangaroo, rats, live there. The body of a camel is adapted to live in the hot climate of a desert. Desert animals drink a little water. Camel has a hump on its back. It stores fat. A camel can live without food and water for many days. Small desert animals live under the ground. They come out at night. Animals living under the ground. Some animals, such as rabbits, rats, and snakes, live under the ground. They make burrows or holes in the ground. Their bodies are adapted to live under the ground. Animals living on seashores. A few animals live on seashores like sea worms, crabs, sea cucumbers, clams, etc. They generally have a hard shell that protects their soft body. Snails and tortoises have very soft bodies that are prone to damage. The hard shells that cover their body are like their homes, which they slip into whenever they want to take rest or protect themselves against harsh weather conditions or enemies. So they always carry their homes with them. Nocturnal animals. Animals like bats, owls, and lemurs become active at night and possess excellent night vision. These animals are known as nocturnal animals. Life near us. Many animals and birds live around us. Insects like mosquitoes, houseflies, and cockroaches live in or around our houses. Lizards and spiders can be seen on the walls of the house. Ants are seen crawling on the floors. All these creatures get shelter around us. Birds like sparrows and pigeons make their nests on the window sills. Animals like cats, dogs, and sometimes even monkeys find shelter around our houses.